Your home's doors do more than provide access. They contribute to security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're replacing an outdated entry door, upgrading to sliding patio doors, or installing French doors to bring in more natural light, the success of your project depends heavily on the quality of the installation. Choosing the right professional for the job is just as important as selecting the right door. For Gainesville homeowners, here's a guide to finding a trusted door installer who can deliver lasting results. Look for local experience. Every region has its unique climate considerations, and Gainesville is no exception. Humidity, storms, and temperature fluctuations can affect how doors perform over time. A local installer with experience in Gainesville homes understands these challenges and knows which materials and installation techniques hold up best. By hiring a professional with local expertise, you're more likely to get doors that are properly sealed, weather-resistant, and durable in Florida's conditions. Verify licensing and insurance. A reputable door installer should have the proper licensing and insurance. Licensing shows that they meet professional standards, while insurance protects you in case of accidents or property damage during installation. Before hiring anyone, ask for proof of both. A trustworthy Gainesville installer will provide this information willingly and explain how they ensure your project is handled safely and professionally. Check reviews and references. Customer feedback is one of the best ways to gauge the reliability of a door installer. Look for reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau. Pay attention to comments about punctuality, professionalism, and quality of work. You can also ask the installer directly for references from past Gainesville customers. Speaking with homeowners who've had similar projects done gives you a clearer idea of what to expect. Evaluate their range of services. The best installers don't just hang a door, they provide comprehensive service. This includes removing old doors, adjusting frames, sealing gaps, and ensuring locks and hardware are properly installed. Some professionals also offer custom fitting for unique door styles or sizes. When interviewing potential installers, ask about the scope of their services. A Gainesville installer who handles every detail ensures that your new door isn't just attractive but also secure, energy efficient, and long-lasting. Ask about materials and recommendations. An experienced installer should be knowledgeable about different door materials, wood, fiberglass, steel, and vinyl, and be able to recommend the best options for your Gainesville home. For example, fiberglass or steel doors may offer better durability and energy efficiency in Florida's humid climate. If your installer can guide you through the pros and cons of each material while considering your budget and design preferences, it's a sign they're committed to providing a solution that truly fits your needs. Look for warranties and guarantees. Quality door installers stand by their word. Ask about warranties on both the door itself and the installation. Manufacturer warranties cover the product, while workmanship guarantees protect you if the installation isn't up to standard. For Gainesville homeowners, a solid warranty provides peace of mind that your investment is protected for years to come. Get multiple quotes. Finally, don't settle for the first estimate you receive. Request quotes from at least 3 Gainesville installers to compare pricing, timelines, and included services. While affordability matters, the cheapest option isn't always the best. Instead, focus on value, high-quality installation that ensures your door looks great and functions properly for the long term. Conclusion: a smart choice for your Gainesville home. Choosing the right door installer in Gainesville means balancing experience, reliability, and value. By checking credentials, reading reviews, and asking the right questions, you can confidently select a professional who will enhance your home's security, efficiency, and style. When done correctly, professional door installation isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's comfort and curb appeal. Taking the time to find the right installer ensures you enjoy the full benefits of your new door for years to come.